Part of growing is looking for new products to be able to sell. And so one of the tools that we've built for our merchants is a tool that allows you to be able to look at a supplier's catalog and analyze it to find out if in fact you can make money selling that product or that supplier's catalog before you have to go through the whole trouble of negotiating agreements and loading products into the system and so forth. So the way that you do that is you just click on this load items function after clicking on the competitive analysis button here. I'm just going to load a file here that I've got prepared ahead of time. And I'm just going to hit refresh here, and now here's all the items. So basically it's going to consist of a SKU, a description, a UPC, which is absolutely necessary because we use that to do a lookup, the cost of the item. Ideally, if you have a weight, that's nice. If not, that's okay. You can just sort of plug in a shipping cost here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to click on retrieve competitive prices. And the system is going to go out and it's going to start looking for matches for these particular products. Once it finds a match, it's going to go out and grab the existing buy box, and we're going to be able to start analyzing this. So it is using the matching API and one other API as well that does restrict the speed at which we can do this, and so we have essentially inserted our own throttle so that we don't get throttled by Amazon. So it does take a little bit of time to run this data, but as you can see, it's going out, it's finding matches for the products, it's pulling in descriptions, it's pulling in things like sales rank, and as I refresh here, we'll see more and more. My guess is that one of those went to no competition. Yeah. We see more and more data here as I continue to hit the refresh button here as it works through the catalog. So typically if you have a larger catalog, you kind of need to set this and let it run and come back a little bit later here. But what it's going to go and grab is it's going to go grab information about where it's who's currently selling it. So this column right here, the second row, is showing us if Amazon is selling this item or not. It's showing us if Amazon currently has the buy box or not, or if an FBA merchant currently has the buy box. We should be able to see up there it's continuing to work. There's currently 2 FBA listings out there. There's currently 2 FBM listings out there. Now, what we're doing is we're taking the cost of the product that we loaded from the file, adding in the shipping. That gives us sort of a total cost for the product. We're also going to add in the commission that we know based upon the category of the ASIN. We're comparing that against the buy box price and shipping if it exists. Doesn't always exist. Sometimes you're going to run across scenarios where there's a free shipping model. If you look down at this item here, you can see this is a product cost plus shipping. This then gives us the ability to find out exactly how much money we're going to make. So profit margin is the third row down here. So we're making $5.49 on this one. That gives us a margin of 31.4. So this tool allows you to be able to go out, find out if you can actually make money on a particular supplier's catalog, and as I said, it does take a little bit of time to run due to the throttling that Amazon kind of puts on us. Once this is done, the export to Excel function will light up, and you can export this product or the data here as well, so that you can analyze that in Excel and do whatever you need to with it, and it'll be completely flattened out. So hope you enjoyed this. Please let us know if you have any questions.